Hey Jim, how's it going?
I'm good, John. You?
I'm stuck, man. Need help.
What's wrong? You look worried.
Anne's birthday is next week.
Oh, that's exciting. Got plans?
I want to surprise her.
That sounds sweet. What gift?
That's the big problem, man.
You don't know what to get?
I have no clue, honestly.
Jewelry is always a winner.
She hates my jewelry picks.
You've bought jewelry before, right?
Yes. She returned it immediately.
Ouch. That's not very encouraging.
She said it looked cheap.
Did you spend enough money?
I thought I did, yeah.
Maybe try clothes this year?
Same story. Wrong taste again.
She returned the clothes too?
Yep. Said wrong color, size.
Hmm. She sounds hard pleased.
Very picky. Always says thanks.
But she doesn't really mean it?
Exactly. I can always tell.
Why not ask her directly?
I want it to surprise.
But you don't know how.
That's why I'm asking you.
Me? I'm worse at gifts.
Come on, you're a husband.
My wife returns stuff too.
Seriously? I thought Sheila wasn't picky.
She hides it well, trust me.
So, what do you do?
I just give gift cards.
That feels too cold, man.
Better than returning 5 things.
I want it to mean something.
You could write a letter?
A letter? Like old school?
Yes. Tell her your feelings.
That's actually not a bad idea.
And add something small, like flowers.
She does like fresh flowers.
See? You already know that.
But flowers feel too simple.
Paired with a letter, perfect.
What about something handmade maybe?
Like a craft or photo frame?
I could frame our pictures.
That's romantic. She'll love that.
But what if she doesn't?
You can't please everyone always.
I just want her happy.
That's what matters the most.
I thought of a necklace.
Didn't she return one before?
She said it wasn't personal.
Try engraving it this time.
Like her name or something?
Or a special date maybe.
Oh. Our anniversary date maybe.
Perfect. She'll really appreciate that.
Do you know a good place?
Try that shop near the park.
The small one with the bell?
Yes, they do custom work.
I'll check it out today.
Don't wait too long though.
You're right. Time is short.
Want me to come too?
Would you? That'd be great.
Sure. Let's go after lunch.
I owe you big time.
I accept chocolate as payment.
Deal. You're the best, Jim.
Just trying to help, buddy.
I hope she really likes it.
She will. It's thoughtful now.
I feel better about this.
That's the spirit, John. Smile.
Have you ever made gifts?
Yeah, once I painted something.
Really? Like a canvas painting?
It was a funny cartoon.
Did Sheila like that gift?
She laughed and framed it too.
That's actually really sweet, man.
Sometimes silly things work best.
I'm thinking of writing something.
Like a poem or note?
Maybe a short love story.
That's very creative. I like.
It's been a while though.
Just write from your heart.
You think it's not cheesy?
It depends on your delivery.
She loves romantic movies too.
Then she'll love your story.
I'll add it to the gift.
Nice. Picture frame, necklace, and story.
Is that too much though?
Not for a birthday. It's perfect.
I should wrap them nicely too.
Presentation matters, trust me.
You're like a gift expert.
Years of trial and error, man.
I'm learning from the best today.
Don't forget a card too.
Right, a card. Almost forgot.
Write something sweet and funny.
Like to my picky princess?
Ha ha. Careful. Or she'll return you.
Okay, okay. I'll keep it safe.
Maybe. To the love of life.
That sounds better. Good suggestion.
See? You're getting the hang.
Thanks to you, honestly.
Don't sweat it, just breathe.
What's the best gift you gave?
I made a recipe book.
Whoa, that's unique. What recipes?
All her favorite meals and snacks.
That's so thoughtful and useful.
She uses it every week.
I should steal that idea sometime.
Go ahead. Just change dishes.
I'll include her grandma's cookies too.
You remember that? She'll love it.
I guess I know her well.
You definitely do, just nervous.
Yeah, I want everything perfect.
It already sounds perfect, man.
Thanks for believing in me.
Always. That's what friends do.
Let's grab coffee before shopping.
Yes, I need caffeine now.
You take it black, right?
With sugar. Don't forget that.
Got it. 2 coffees coming up.
Make mine large, please.
You're so demanding, my friend.
Only when it's coffee time.
Okay, let's head to town.
Ready when you are, John.
I hope the shop's open.
They open at 10, I think.
Great, we'll make it on time.
Don't forget your wallet again.
That was one time only.
I had to pay then, remember?
I'll buy lunch today, fair?
Deal. I like free food.
You're a true friend, Jim.
And you're a lucky husband.
I sure hope she agrees.
She will, no doubt about it.
I feel more confident now.
That's the goal, my man.
Let's get these gifts ready.
Let's go make her smile.
Should I add candles too?
Only if you want romance.
A candlelight dinner sounds good.
That's a classic move, John.
You taught me everything today.
Now go win husband awards.
Or at least avoid complaints.
That's already a big win.
All right, let's go gift shopping.
To the shop and beyond.
Thanks again, really appreciate it.
Anytime, you know that.
You're my gift guru now.
I prefer gift whisperer, actually.
All right, gift whisperer. Let's roll.
Let's make magic happen today.